Alright family, so for today's video it's gonna be a little different. I am gonna show you what I eat in a day. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be vlogging in my house, which is something I never really do. I'm always in the kitchen. So stay tuned guys, alright? Alright family, so you already know in the mornings I love to drink my tea, and this is how I drink my tea. As you guys can see, I got 3 of them right here, which is papaya leaf, cleavers, and green tea, which is good for high blood pressure, cholesterol, skin conditions, cancer, and green tea has high antioxidants. I'm steeping it right now for a few minutes, and you see how dark it got. And I add my key limes to activate it, make it even better than it is. Always use key limes, guys. It's way better than anything else. I use a little bit of agave to sweeten it. Now I'm adding in my sea moss. And this is how I drink my tea. Alright family, so we out of here. We on our way to Whole Foods supermarket. And a lot of people don't like Whole Foods because they're expensive, but you have to catch them when they have their sales. When they have their sales, they really go in. Alright, so we're here. Now let's go inside. I gotta wipe my cart because this thing that's going around is getting everybody, and I refuse to be a part of it. Alright guys, so keep your cart clean. Make sure you wash your hands, sanitize your hand, because it's out here and it's for everybody. It does not discriminate. Wow, I love coming here. Just wish the price was better. Whole Foods, home, fresh produce, delicious greens. Alright guys, so I'm about to get this big collard green so I can make my egg salad sandwich. So I can't wait to do that. Let's go. While I was here, I did need some scallions or some green onions, some broccoli. I'm also gonna get some spelt flour. I used this once in a blue, but can't go wrong with the price. Just showing you guys what they have, and they always have a sale. Tahini, I definitely got that. Alright family, so I finally made it home, and I'm about to make a gluten-free, soy-free egg salad using collard greens. Alright guys, as you can see in the video, I just went to Whole Foods and got some fresh collard greens that I'm gonna wash up and get started. And also I make my own mayonnaise, so it is soy free. You could check out my other videos to see how you can make a soy free mayonnaise that's actually vegan. Alright guys, so let's go. Alright family, so one thing y'all didn't know about me, I was obsessed with eating eggs, and egg salad was one of my favorites, guys. So I'm going to be recreating egg salad using Pumfu, which is a pumpkin seed, gluten-free, keto-free replacement. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and mix everything in. I am using mayonnaise and yogurt to help eliminate some of the calories from the mayo, because it's vegan doesn't mean it doesn't have calories. Alright guys, so we're gonna add in our onions, our scallions, and our pumfu. This is as if you was using eggs. You know how we chop up the eggs into cubes. So now I'm gonna add the rest of the mayonnaise that's mixed with the yogurt. Alright guys, so we're gonna mix that in real quick. There it is, veganized. Alright, so I'm gonna add this to my collard green. Alright guys, because this is my sandwich. I'm making this gluten free, trying to stay away from the bread for the new 2022 family. So this is definitely worth trying, and it's very delicious. This is how I eat my Pumfu egg salad. All right, family, that's it. I can't wait to see you guys again Saturday. Hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Peace.